Hi everyone, Kathy here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I thought I'd come on and show you what I've been up to today. It's a beautiful day, a little warm, but there's a nice breeze, so I've been planting some plants and rearranging things and cleaning up the front area of the house. Let me show you around. All right, so this is our front steps. We do live in a modular home. This rug right here, I got this at Aldi's, and I wish I bought two, but they were only $6.99. So I just got one. I'm sure there's no more left. Um, I got these little plants here, one on each side. I think it's a vinca. And then behind it is a little, I'm not sure what it's called. It's like a little pink dotted leafy plant. I've had that for about a year. And they do get taller. I just kind of cut them down because they get kind of crazy. But I got those two. And then up here is just, I think it's English ivy. And we have a lizard over here running around. There's lizards everywhere. Another vinca. And another little spotted plant there. These containers here with the ivy in it, those were hydrangeas, but the hydrangeas died. I had one on either side. Hydrangeas died. And I'm left with the ivy. This here, I call it an elephant ear. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a jade. It's a thick plant. It's almost like a rubber plant, but I don't think it's a rubber plant. I've had it for years. And then all my leftover pots here. I do like to do gardening. It just gets too hot. But I do what I can do. These plants here were given to me. I heard they can be very invasive, so I left them in the pots. And then my poor fern here is not doing so great. Now over here, I'm working on this project. This is what I use as a potting bench. And it's been spray painted a couple different times. I washed it off right now. It's kind of drying. I got it tilted upward. It's probably dry already. Drying in the sun. And what I'm going to do, I usually have that over against this wall here in between the windows. And I usually put all my pots and stuff and my gardening little thing here on it. But that's what I call my potting bench. And I'm going to be spray painting it green, like the color of this top here, if you could see it. It's so bright. And then these are my little project plant. This one is a hydrangea. Well, they're both hydrangeas. And this one I rerouted it and it's growing. It's just growing really slow. And this one I bought last year. It was actually like a bush, but it's died off and this is all that's left. So I'm trying to save it. And then I got my hydrangea down there. I've had that for 3 years and it's still, it grows every year, but it's just tiny. Really tiny. Oh, there goes a blue jay. So what else I've been working on today is these really pretty plumbagos. I bought these. I bought 3 of them. And it's supposed to be like a bush as far as I know. I've seen them before in people's yards and I thought they were so pretty. So I got 3 of them. Only the one in the middle is blooming right now. I just planted them this morning. And I'm hoping it fills in this whole area and it will be like when you come in the side here. This is another entrance to the lanai. So this really pretty flag. I got that from Temu. And this old shell down there. And a little mushroom. And then I just have the 3 plumbagos. And I have a potted blueberry bush, which is still alive, but no blueberries. And then this tall little skinny tree is my crepe myrtle. And I bought that last year and it's got twice the size of what it was last year. So I'm hoping to see some blooms this year. They have some really pretty flowers on there. So that's what I've been up to, guys. Hoping that these will grow. I put some Miracle-Gro on there, and I hope it becomes like a whole bush that fills in that whole area. And I do have a little garden out in the back. Nothing's really growing right now in the garden. So, all right, and I'll show you what it looks like when I fix up my cart there. Stay tuned. Oh, and before I forget, I want to show you this patio set my friend gave me. It's a nice wrought iron set with thick cushions. A little bit faded, but hey, it's free. And it was peeling, all the metal was peeling. So we took some black spray paint. When we sanded it down, took some black spray paint and painted it. And I think it looks excellent. Love it. Nice, thick, sturdy set. And this, I'm trying to reroot this. I don't know if it will. It's really pretty. It's, I think it's a desert rose. And it said it can be grown from the stem. So I got some dirt. That's sandy kind of dirt. It said use sandy dirt and use a rooting compound, which I did. So I'm gonna see if that works. Hopefully it does. It's so pretty. And I just got more ivy, different plants here. This is that really pretty plumbago. You could see it. I don't know if it grows in certain areas. I think it needs the warmth, but it almost reminds me of a hydrangea a little bit. Plumbago. That's what I planted out front there. All right, guys. Keep you posted. All right. My son's helping me now with this, what is it, plant stand that we're spray painting from red. Just don't spray paint my car, to green. Let's see. And of course, it has to be windy today. All right, so we have the green one painted. We might need another coat. I don't know, it looks good. I think it's fine anyway. I'm gonna be putting plants on it, so it's gonna get dirty. I like that color, it's really pretty. That's a moss green. And now we're trying to do this other little stand, and I want it to be black to go with the other furniture that we have, patio set, like this one. Oh, that green is so much prettier. See it better in the sun now. It looks good. I don't think it needs a second coat. It's just for my plants. It is pretty. Now I'm gonna let it dry so I can put my plants and my garden tools back on it. All right, guys, so this is the end result. I think it came out really nice. And the black one over here, I spray painted this one. Or my son did, actually. Now I need to get more plants. See how that works? I gotta get more plants now. It's just, you know, I have empty shelves, so yep, more plants. I got my tools in the bottom there, some extra, little extra dirt, a little extra, some pots back there. And my hydrangeas up here so I can keep an eye on them. I know they don't like full sun. So, and these guys are just kind of hanging out over here. That's it. Put these ones over here. They're pretty. I need to get some more bright cherry colors would be nice. And I don't know if I showed you guys, this one, my plumbago is already starting to get more buds and flowers on it. And by the way, these ones here are actually, I got at Lowe's, and I always check the clearance section. So this one was clearance, this one was regular price, and this one was clearance. So I basically got 2 for 1, and then this one was regular price, which was only like $7. So, but I like them, so we'll see what happens. So far, so good. Thanks for watching, guys.